Welcome. If you're here, you probably want Pinterest to keep working in the background on your Android device so you never miss a notification or update. Today, I'll guide you through the latest and easiest way to allow Pinterest to run in the background, ensuring you stay connected to your favorite pins and boards at all times. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and unlock it. The process is simple and only takes a few moments. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. You can usually find it as a gear-shaped icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to view all the apps installed on your device. Now in the list of apps, look for Pinterest. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type in Pinterest for a quicker find. Once you spot Pinterest, tap on it to open its app-specific settings. Next, you'll see various options related to Pinterest. Find and tap on the option labeled Battery. This section controls how your phone manages the app's power usage. By default, Android may restrict background activity to save battery, which can prevent Pinterest from running smoothly in the background. Here's the key step. Under Battery Settings, you'll see three options: Restricted, Optimized, and Unrestricted. To allow Pinterest to run in the background without any limitations, select Unrestricted. This tells your phone to let Pinterest operate freely, even when you're not actively using it. And that's it. With these changes, Pinterest will be able to send you notifications, update your feed, and keep everything running smoothly, even when you switch to other apps or lock your screen. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and choose either Optimized or Restricted. But for the best Pinterest experience, Unrestricted is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy pinning without interruptions.